everybody, it is me, the Grinch, aka Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is a very interesting video because I f***ed up the look and then I start all over again. So, welcome back to Beatmas number 2, but Vlogmas day 4. So I hope you've been having a good time watching. I've been having a great time making. This is only the second video I've made for Vlogmas, so I really don't know how it's going. If you're at home wondering how it's going, I'd say it's going pretty swell. It's just, you know, I gotta come up with a bunch of video ideas now that I decided to post 4 videos a freaking week. I'm stupid and crazy, but whatever. Hopefully it's going well. Yeah, today I'm going to do a Grinch makeup tutorial. I had a whole thing planned. Didn't work out. You'll see a little bit of it later. You'll just watch me fail and then recover, because life is just like that sometimes, you know? Sometimes you just have to like mess up so you can do better. If you guys are excited to watch this video, please give the video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry it's so bad. You know, I'm gonna post it anyways because not every video could be perfect and I'm not perfect, so we're just gonna see how it goes, okay? I love you guys. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna prime the eye, obviously. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. primer because it works. Gets the job done, ladies. You know what I'm saying? I'm using the James palette once again. Like, it's just because it has every color I need. So, sorry about it. JK, I ain't sorry at all. I got you good. Got you good. Alright, now I'm gonna set it, and I'm just gonna set it with white, which is flashback. So upset that I'm doing another cut crease, but it's just what works for this look. Just gonna suffer like I always seem to do. That was sad, sorry about it. Well, it's good to be honest with people, with yourself, you know? So we're gonna be using the shades Social Blade, Daddy, Guac, and Spooky, and also Ring Light. First we're gonna start off with Social Blade, which is, you know, green. And I hope that's my Social Blade one day too, you know? I don't think I even have a Social Blade at this point, you know? But we're gonna get there one day. Oh my gosh, this is wrong. We start with B. I'm so dumb. We use B also, and that's what's supposed to start in the crease. Listen, kids, I'm so sorry. I just like to rush through my life, and these are the consequences I face, you know? But we push through it, and we get over it. What a motto in life. And now I'm gonna go in with Social Blade. I'm gonna get this flat end of the brush and tap in my crease and then blend it out. It doesn't have to be tight in the crease, it's just in the crease and up, but not as far up as the yellow. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. I know I am. I've really even gotten started doing it. This is only the second video I've filmed for it, so I'm really not that deep into it, so I don't know how it's going, but I hope it's going well. This is only week 2, it should be, so. You'd be surprised. And also, why do you look like a bowling ball? Oh my gosh, I can't not. Guys, the other day, Tyra Banks liked my tweet. She knows that I exist and that I'm a human on this earth. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that information. James tweeted something about hating all white condiments, which I don't agree with because I like mayonnaise, and Tyra feels the same way because the next day she tweeted at James. She was like, James, excuse me, but mayonnaise is pretty good. And then James was like I'm reconsidering my love for you. And then I tweeted at the both of them, like, imagine just like having Tyra Banks casually tweet you like blah blah blah. And then literally I was doing my makeup and then I heard a boop-a-ding, and I looked at my phone and it said Tyra Banks liked your picture. I mean your tweet. What am I supposed to do about that? How am I supposed to live? What am I supposed to do? Die? That's the funny thing about social media, is like you get noticed by a celebrity, and then you're like, you're so famous. But like, no, you're not. You just got noticed by someone. Like, it's not that deep. I mean, it is really cool, but like, you're not famous. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Daddy. I have many baby daddies, so I can relate to this. And it's the darkest green shade. So just go in with a dark green, and I'm just going to like outline my crease ever so gently. And I'm gonna tap in a little bit, and so it comes up further. And you want to make sure that it's not just straight in the crease, because since we're cutting the crease, you don't want to cut the dark green off, so make sure you're still going above it a little bit too. That's what I'm doing. I'm making sure that it's blended up beyond the actual crease, like in the crease crevice. Okay, so now for my least favorite part, it's time to cut the crease. I'm gonna get this LA Girl Pro Concealer because it works and it does the job. And I'm going to cut my crease with this little brush right here. I've been using this brush since 2016. This brush and my eyebrow brush I've been using for 2 years. They're from LA Girl. No, they're from Wet n Wild, because all their brushes are like $1 or $3 or something like that. Most of them suck now because, you know, there's a lot more blending brushes now that are just way better. There probably were a lot more that were better then, but you know, I was just starting out, and you know, you do makeup on a budget when you're starting out. That took me 10 years, but now I'm going to set it with Flashback. Well, now that I've fricked up the end of that cut crease, let's keep it moving, okay? All right, ready? Okay. So now that we have that set and ready to rumble, we're gonna spray this brush. I use this brush for literally everything if you couldn't tell. But we're gonna get this brush and we're gonna spray it with your setting spray, your Fix Plus, your Mario Badescu, your whatever. We're gonna spray it. And I squished some of the liquid off because, you know, it can be a lot. And we're gonna go in with the shade Ring Light, which is a white, it's like a champagne, no it's not, it's like a, it's a little bit, it's like an off-white, champagne-y white, and you're gonna just fill in halfway. I would say to like right here, you're gonna fill it in. So let's go. If you want it, you can get it, let me know. I don't know why, but it's really difficult for me to handle this brush with my left hand. I'm like left-handed and I feel like it's a right-handed person's brush. And it makes me sad because I'm left-handed. It's starting to get cakey. And it's my fault it's getting cakey because I overused the Fix Plus, so like the eyeshadow just got too wet and gross, and then it just got a little bit fricked up. So now we're going to wipe that color off, spray again, and I think I just made the brush too juicy, so I gotta de-juicify it a little bit more. Now we're gonna go in with the shade Guac and go the rest of the crease. And I kind of have it a little bit at a slant. I did it on accident, but it's fun. So we're gonna keep it going. I will say I feel like the shade is kind of underwhelming, but I also just feel like it's because it's like green, and green's not the prettiest color. Have you ever seen like a bright green shimmer? I don't think I have. I can't tell if I need to add more guac or not. I just need to fade it in more. So now we're going to connect, you know, finish the look. Connect, finish the look, that's not English. We're gonna go in with Daddy, and we're going to get a small detail eye brush, and we're gonna deepen this, the outer corner, that's what it's called, you know. Sometimes speaking is hard, and then we're gonna blend it out. And like James has said, you're definitely better off packing these shades, especially like the color ones, because it starts to get a little bit patchy because they're they're pressed pigments, loose pigments, I don't freaking know. Some sort of pigment thing that's special to work with, but it makes it worth it because you get such good color payoff. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Social Blade, and I'm going to go on, like, you see how the green is like right here? I'm going to fade this into that, so it looks like we kind of ombre some color. And I'm just patting it on, and I'm going to lightly blend it back out. And then now I'm going to get a little bit, small amount of Spooky, and I'm going to go like on the outer corner and just dab some on and then blend it out. It looks crazy, but then whenever you actually do it, it makes a lot of sense, because it just looks like it's an even darker green, and like that it's just shaping or deepening the outer corner of your eye. It's cool how black can kind of shape shift into different colors. I'm going to bravely get a small amount of Spooky on my blending brush and pat it. Now I'm going to go back in with Daddy and go over it. And then I'm going to get this small brush, go back in with Daddy, and drag out the green some more, and then go back in with Social Blade and go over that too. Now I'm just gonna kind of clean up the shimmer and whatever. So now let's put on some eyeliner. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna put on my lashes. Okay, so now let's put this liner on the inside of my eyes like I always do. Ooh. Let's do my bottom lash line. So what I think I'm gonna do, we'll just do some basic-ish, you know? So I'm gonna start with Spooky actually. I'm gonna start with Spooky and like really tightly like just trace the lower lash line. Like I'm not gonna drag it down very far. Now I'm gonna go in with Daddy and go under that and blend it. And now I'm gonna go in with Social Blade and blend that out and transition it into my skin. I'm going to look sick. I mean, I guess the Grinch is kind of sick, right? He's kind of, well, no, he's not. He's actually a pretty nice guy. Is the Grinch a cat? Is that what he, does anyone actually know what he is? Is that like a thing? Does Dr. Seuss ever reveal what Mr. Kitty Girl Grinch really is inside? If you know, please comment down below because I actually genuinely have no clue what I'm like. Let's put some color in our inner corner. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm just gonna put this white from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's so dirty. Ooh. Okay, I cleaned it with my finger. So I'm gonna get VIP from the Armed and Gorgeous palette, I think, yeah. And it's just white, and I'm just gonna put it in my brow bone and on my inner corners. I kinda hate putting eyeshadow on my brow bone because I feel like it messes up the eyeshadow. Alright guys, I'm gonna be right back because I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with the whole Grinch face business because I don't really have a clue. So I might already start outlining it by the time I come back, but it's just so I can give you guys the real tea on the look, you know. Alright, see you in a second, bye. So I did a whole look and it flopped. I'll insert it here. Guys, this video is a disgrace. Yeah, it wasn't good at all. It was pretty ugly and I'm pretty disappointed in myself. But you know, I didn't bake. Just goes to show that we're not perfect humans and you know, sometimes we're gonna flop. And let me tell you, today was a major flop for me. Life goes on, I guess. Because I was supposed to do a Grinch look anyways and then I saw her do a Grinch look. I'm talking about the one and only beautiful, incredible, talented Nikki Tutorials. And I was like, okay, wow. Snatch my wig, like literally, because you know I wear those. I was like, maybe I should do the full face Grinch, because you know, or something like it, because you know, you can't just be like Grinch eyeshadow, you know, you gotta go full out. And so, wow. Oh my gosh, please don't. I'm not even in a good mood anymore, but I just want to get this for you guys because it's Vlogmas. But Nikki did a look and I was like, okay, let me try that. Something like it. No, don't try to be like Nikki Tutorials because you will never be like her. You just have to be yourself, okay? I literally had to wipe off everything and start over. So, well, except for my eyes, thank God. I'm gonna do like my nose and my mouth like a Grinch to make up for what I've fricked up. So I'm gonna do that now. I just did that with a pencil and now I'm gonna fill the rest of it in with Spooky. I literally have a hair in my nose and it's coming out of my nose. That's absolutely disgusting. I didn't know I was a man. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some more black eyeshadow and drag it down to my lip. Now I'm going to line my top lip. So now I'm gonna get Wild Nothing from ColourPop and I'm just gonna put this on my bottom lip because we're a cat or something like that. I don't know. Also, before I close my mouth again and get black on my bottom lip, let's set the black with black shadow, okay? I'm setting the liner on my top lip with a shadow, okay? I look crazy. Now, we're almost done. Finally. We're gonna draw little whisker things. Like, not actual whiskers. Where the frick is my eyeliner? Y'all, I love this. I love makeup. I love you guys. But listen, a biddy is tired, okay? Good. Awesome, great. Now I'm gonna put on highlight! The only thing that could save me. Oh, sorry. Okay. ColourPop au revoir. You already know, luster dust. Swipe this ish on. Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys. Well, this is the finished Grinch makeup tutorial for you on our second episode of Beatmas, but our 4th day of Vlogmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, I surely did. Super excited for me. Yeah, but honestly, you know, not every look can be amazing. People mess up, people make mistakes, and that's just life, dog, you know? You dig? You dig? You dig? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I like the shadow, I like it. It's just, I'm a little bit frustrated right now, so I'm just gonna cry. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time, which will be very soon because you know it's Vlogmas, so you're gonna see me like every other day, so get excited. Okay, bye.